Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix servers in the main building in Voices of the Void. To do this, first we will need to enter the server room. It should be located on the right side from our main research room, and then find one of the servers that is red, like this one. We'll be able to use it with interaction key E, and then you will basically need to do the math. The first one in this case is 3 minus 1, which is 2, and you go on like this for all of the numbers. Now in case you have something like 3 plus 9, as you can see there's no 12, so we'll need to click on 2 in this case, and for all of the double numbers you'll need to basically select one number that is at the end of double numbers. And that's how you fix the server. You just need to go all the way down and it should be fixed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.